Hey guys, this is about my fourth try to record this. I about my fourth try to record this. I record this with Screen Recorder and Screencast-O-Matic, and they've just updated. And of course, a lot of times when they update things, it's worse. The old one, I shouldn't have updated it because the old one was awesome. But anyway, let's see if we can do this. So I thought to talk about this. This guy, former Marine, Black Rambo, takes the heavy-duty tactical jacket 3A protection out to the range and throws some rounds at it. So let's have a look at this if we can. Okay.
Alright, Bulletproof jacket, baby. Self-defense company. It's called the Bodyguard. I got a dummy one right here because you know damn well I ain't about to shoot up mine. I'm going to hit it with the Draco 9. I'm going to see what she working with. Hey, it got sleeves on it too, but I unzip mine because I like to look cool. Clear? Step back a little bit. Let's see what she working with. Knock the whole damn thing down. Let's see. Clear. Uh-oh. I don't see nothing going through. Smells up in here. Look at it. All right, self-defense company, baby. Check me out. Check me out, though. Yeah. I'm on the spitting that real. Self-defense company, the Bodyguard. I'm loving it.
So there you go, guys. I'll leave a link below for this. And hopefully this has turned out okay. Pretty amazing, really. I mean, it was like close range, and pretty much you could see it the bullets didn't even get far into it, really. So there you go. Wear one of those and you're safe, I would say. I've done other videos about this, and you might want to check those out as well. So yeah, like I say, I am an affiliate for this company. I've been an affiliate with them for a while, simply because they're an awesome company. I'm an elite member with them, which basically just means I've got all their DVDs, except for the latest one, which I plan on getting one day, the Phoenix one, which is like, you know, the real sort of hardcore lethal stuff. But there's hardcore lethal stuff in the Elite Pack 2, as it were. Okay, so there you go, guys. That was rather cool little video, I'm thinking. And we'll catch you